Hi, I'm Eric with Wintergreen Lighting. You know, one of the most popular ways to decorate at Christmas is by wrapping trees with lights. Trees and bushes lend themselves naturally to Christmas lights because they are existing features of your landscaping, and lighting them integrates your Christmas lights into the overall look of your home. But wrapping trees with Christmas lights can be hard because it's time-consuming and it can be frustrating dealing with tree knots, drooping lights, and more. That's why Wintergreen Lighting introduced these new StretchNet Pro tree wrap lights. StretchNet Pro is an innovative product designed to stretch and expand around tree trunks and columns, giving you the freedom to cover a wider variety of tree shapes and sizes, including irregular areas like knots and bulges. StretchNet Pro also installs with just a few clips, which makes it fast and easy to install and remove. Let's compare. Now I'll install lights on the tree. The first time, I'll use traditional tree wrap net lights. The second, I'll use string lights. And the third, I'll use StretchNet Pro. Let's see what happens. As you can see, StretchNets install 2 to 3 times faster than trunk wraps and string lights. Now let's see what happens when you remove the lights. StretchNet Pros are much faster and easier to take down. StretchNet Pro is 2 to 3 times faster. Now just imagine you're installing a lot of trees. The time difference adds up quickly. In addition to easy installation and takedowns, StretchNet Pro can also save you money. That's because you can cover more area per light set with StretchNet Pro than you can with string lights. And StretchNet Pro tree wrap lights won't leave you with that drooping feeling the next day. String lights are known to relax after installation. This can cause them to slide down the tree trunk after they're installed. Not a problem with StretchNet Pro. StretchNet Pro comes in multiple sizes for small, medium, and large applications. And StretchNet Pro net lights can be connected end-to-end, so you can create a taller light display by placing a second net above the first. For larger trees, you can connect 2 light sets side to side to expand the width even more. StretchNet Pro lights also come in 2 wire colors, brown wire for trees and white wire for columns. Both colors blend by day and dazzle by night. StretchNet Pro tree and column wrap lights use fully sealed, color-infused 5mm wide-angle LED lights. These shatterproof bulbs provide a brilliant light halo, extreme durability, and rich, beautiful color. So make your trees and columns look professional and have fun doing it with StretchNet Pro net lights. Just wrap it and relax. Visit the Christmas Lights Etc. website for this and other festive products.